All right, guys. So my friend here, as you can see, 3 Rubik's Cube, and he's going to put these things to all solid colors.
Actually, I'm changing plan. We do all 3 of them all in one round and see how fast long it takes, right?
You got it, man. Let's do this.
We're going on 3.
1, 2, 3.
We're under recorded. The pressure's on, man. Pressure's on, man.
Holy shit.
Not look at this, by the way. This news can be a little slower because they didn't look at this one, so it's all good.
Dude, that's insane.
Now, after this one, we'll start the timer after this one.
Okay.
Then we're going to do the last one by itself.
Okay. He's killing it.
Sort of.
Wow.
52 seconds for 2 of them.
52 seconds on 2 of them. You guys seeing this? Just so no one knows, look, every color. There's one, every single color. 52 seconds. Watch this guy go.
The mastermind is working, so.
All right.
Okay, we can start. Let's go for it. Okay. On 3, all right?
1, 2, 3.
This is slower too, this one, I'll do it last.
This is unbelievable. Dude, I need to take you to the casino with me. Holy shit, what do we got there?
23 seconds.
23 seconds.
Yeah, and on a good day, I average about 18 to 22 on a good day.
You are the man.
Yeah.
I'm baffled.
Yeah.
Awesome. We will see you on YouTube.
I'm also on. I have my own channel too. It's Andrew Craig.
Andrew Craig.
Anderkrae.
Guys, remember that.
Yeah.
This is the man right here. He puts the R in Rubik's.
Yep.
All right, guys. So my friend here, as you can see, 3 Rubik's Cube, and he's going to put these things to all solid colors.
Actually, I'm changing plan. We do all 3 of them all in one round and see how fast long it takes, right?
You got it, man. Let's do this.